Hi, Shankari. Good morning.
Good morning, Ma.
So this session is recording for quality purpose. Is it okay for you?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So we can start our interview. So what is the goal of a manual test? Can you please explain?
An annual tester to test the application in order to uh, verify the given requirements or satisfying the user in user perspective. He has to test the complete application uh, and mm, uh, when uh, what to say when application is used by a user, he should feel comfortable in that perspective, and first to check whether the quality and it should be uh, uh, it is a goal of a manual tester to verify and validate that the particular software or application is user friendly, and that's the main goal. In that perspective, he should test the application and verify whether the basic requirements of the application is very precise and its usability is effective.
Okay. So what is the difference between static testing and dynamic testing?
Static testing. Static testing means it is a stable testing. That is when everything is clear and stable. In that case, if you are performing a testing, that is called static testing. And if the changes, adaptive changes, or give there in the application, then you have to perform dynamic testing.
Okay. So can you please give me some example for static and dynamic?
Example, the web pages, sometimes in application, mostly or nowadays dynamic, and uh, you say example, examples of static testing might.
Okay. So what are the types of integration testing?
What are the types
Types
of
of
integration?
integration. Yeah, integration.
Integration testing types. I mean, when it comes to testing, integration testing is a type, and whether here all the modules or of the application gets integrated, and uh, that is to be tested. That is called integrated. I mean, that is called integrated testing.
Okay. And the types of?
Mm, It's
Okay. So what is the difference between a stub or a driver?
what
Driver. What is the
driver
difference between
driver
stub and driver? Yeah.
was stuff. I mean, driver is nothing but um. I mean, That is like how to say to test in a software testing, we are using drivers like for implementing while getting into a testing, we are uh, having some methods, and for that purpose, we are using drivers and to perform the actions. And web driver like that can call to perform every actions in a particular web page. In that application, we are for that purpose we are using drivers, and uh, stub is also for the same. I think it's, it is other name of driver.
Okay. So what is mean by regression testing, and what are the types of regression testing we have?
Testing, regression testing, type testing that is that we took while to ensure that it's something already if the defect is fixed, and we are performing that defects get fixed by retesting. Then for the sake that there is no impact on the defect fix, for that purpose we are performing regression testing. And um, types of regression testings are same in integration testing for in every the testing types, each and every uh, types have its own regression for that, both in functional and in unit. And then for example, if you are performing some integration testing after fixing a bug means you have to perform from the for a whole system. So each and every testing that you have already performed comes into regression.
Okay. So what is the difference between abstract class and interface?
Abstract class. Abstract class. Plus, we can't create objects. I mean, we can't instantiate any object, and it's just like a template. It's just like a template. While it includes both abstract methods and normal. I mean, I ought to say that normal concrete methods. And abstract class gets extended once in the class. And interface is also similar to something somewhat similar to abstract, where all the methods in the interface is abstract methods. And here also there won't be any object creation for calling methods and all. And the difference between abstract and but in abstract method we can also have the concrete methods, but in interface we are implementing only the method signatures, that whatever to say whatever methods that we are given in interface gets implemented in the subclasses. There won't be any other concrete methods in the interface, only abstract methods. It contains only abstract methods, but abstract class contains both abstract and non-abstract methods.
Okay. Is it possible to create a constructor in interface?
Interface. No, we can't create constructors in interface. We can create in abstract class, but we can't create constructors in interface.
Okay. Is it possible to achieve multiple inheritance in Java?
Multiple in for that purpose only we are using interface, and we can implement uh, several times with several subclasses. We can implement interface we want because it's actually a contract that it's look like a contract that the interface can be implemented to uh, how many subclasses that we want, unlike abstract class.
Okay.
So that in that form we are achieving multiple inheritance in Java.
Why multiple inheritance is not allowed in Java?
Inheritance is nothing but parent-child relationship between the classes, so that if, anything in the parent class gets inherited by the child class, and it gets level by level. Once it gets uh, allowed for a it is in a single line linear form. Uh, if we can't go back. I mean, the property in for example, if we are considering a parent class and a child class, the property is inherited by the child class from the parent class, not by the parent class from child class. I mean, opposite direction. So it is not possible uh, uh, to have multiple inheritance. If you have multiple inheritance, there won't be any level of order in inheritance.
Okay. Can you please share your screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Mm,
Okay. Is it your Eclipse is open or no?
yes, sir.
Okay. Create a new class to perform a program. Hello.
Sir.
You can name anything. Yeah, you can name. Okay. So just assume I have a sentence called it's my automation testing interview. Okay. This is my string. I want the space count, which is white space count in between. Can you please write a program for it? You get my
Space
question back
counting.
for the string. So it's the string. So it's my automation testing interview. I want the white space count of white space from that string.
Mm, Space count. Space. Space. Very.
Think of it. You almost got it. Okay, no issues.
Okay. Very.
Okay, no issues. So,
Invalid character considered.
yeah, okay. So you can create another class. Can you give me the window handling syntax here?
Window and
Yeah, console
syntax.
in it.
Window handling. Switch to that. Switch to dot manage dot switch to get get window handles வரும் ஆனா switch to dot get window handles.
Okay, just assume we have a page, a parent web page and a child web page. So how do you handle that web page? We have two windows right here.
Yes.
From where you are switching to which window? You're starting with switch to, right?
ஆமா.
You want to get first which window you are staying at, right?
ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து ஸ்விட்ச் வராது ஆக்சுவலா அலர்ட் தான் ஸ்விட்ச். கெட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து கெட் விண்டோட இதை வந்து நம்ம பேரண்ட் விண்டோ வந்துட்டு டிரைவர் டாட் கெட்ல போடணும்.
Okay,
அதுக்கு
what is the
அடுத்தது
method called? Driver dot. What is the method called?
கெட் விண்டோ ஹேண்டில்ஸ்.
Get window handles. Okay. From
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
that we
இதுக்கு வந்து
can get.
கெட் விண்டோ ஹேண்டில்ஸ் வரும். ஃப்ரம் தட் அதுக்கு அடுத்தது தான் விண்டோ ஹேண்டில்.
So what is the difference
ஐ மீன்
between window handle and handle?
இல்ல நான் ஆக்சுவலா கெட் விண்டோ ஹேண்டில்ஸ்னா நிறைய ஹேண்டில்ஸ் அந்த மெயின் விண்டோவையும் சேர்த்து வருது. இது வந்துட்டு கெட் விண்டோ ஹேண்டில் அது வந்து பேரண்ட் விண்டோ அது தனி. ஐ மீன் தட் இஸ் அதுதான் பேஸ் விண்டோ கெட் விண்டோ ஹேண்டில்.
Okay, what is the
ஃப்ரம்
return
தட் வி
type of get window handle? What is the return type of get window handle?
விண்டோ ஹேண்டில் வந்து ரிட்டர்ன் டைப் வந்து ஐ மீன் ஸ்ட்ரிங்.
Okay, for window handles, get window handles.
லிஸ்ட் லிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஐ மீன் ஸ்ட்ரிங் தான் அதுவுமே ஸ்ட்ரிங்ல தான் வரும்.
Okay. So we want to implement
லிஸ்ட்
on
ஆர்
collections,
செட்
right?
கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் we have to implement a list or
Okay, it's list or set.
okay.
Which list or set I'm asking.
I mean think set.
Set. So why do you want to implement set on window handle? We can implement list, right?
We can implement we are implementing set because it allow I mean duplicates. In list we are having duplicates and list frames we are using lists. நான் இண்டெக்ஸ் வச்சு கால் பண்ணும்போது லிஸ்ட் யூஸ் பண்றோம் ஃப்ரேம்ஸ்லாம். பட் we are using mostly we are using set for that purpose. We are using set set doesn't allow duplicates and set
Okay. So what is the dependency need for taking screenshot?
dependency means
So
that
you use
class or
Maven project you used, right?
robot
Okay.
class.
No, I'm just asking. So for taking screenshot, you use file utils, right? File utils class. So file utils comes from which dependency? You know what is dependency means?
Yeah, dependencies
Yeah. What
that
dependency you will put on the pom.xml for taking screenshot?
dependencies I know I'll get copy from the for I'll copy in the XML file in the dependency. How are
That's
you
not.
asking that Selenium? I mean that tagல தானே வரும் dependencies
ஸோ நான் என்ன
அத
கேட்கறேன்னா,
பண்ற மாதிரி
அந்த
இருக்கும்.
டிபெண்டன்சியோட பேர் என்ன? ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் எடுக்கிறதுக்கு நீங்க யூஸ் பண்றீங்க இல்லையா? அந்த டிபெண்டன்சியோட பேர் என்ன? நீங்க வேவன் ரெபாசிட்டரியில போய் தேடுவீங்க இல்லையா ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட்டுக்கு, அதோட பேர் என்ன?
ம்.
ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட்டுக்கு ஒரு டிபெண்டன்சி நம்ம போடுவோம். அது என்ன டிபெண்டன்சி?
டேக் ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் அது
டேக் ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் இஸ் அ கிளாஸ், சாரி இன்டர்ஃபேஸ். அது செலினியம்லயே இருக்கும்.
ஓகே.
ஓகேவா? ஃபைல்
ஆமா.
யூட்டில்ஸ்க்கு நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ எந்த இடத்துல போய் நம்ம ஃபைலை வந்து ஸ்டோர் பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அந்த ஃபைல் யூட்டில்ஸ்ங்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு டிபெண்டன்சி ஒன்று வேணும், இல்லைன்னா எரர் அடிக்கும். அந்த டிபெண்டன்சி என்ன? இல்லையா?
தெரியல.
ஓகே.
என்ன
So the
டிபெண்டன்சி?
dependency is called common IO.
ஓ, ஓகே ஓகே. அந்த அது காமன் ஐஓ டாட் அந்த மாதிரி வரும்.
Yes.
அது நேம்
அதாவது
தெரியாது.
இதெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சு வச்சுக்கோங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் my question is, what are the annotations available in TestNG?
Annotations are before suit, after suit, at the rate test, and before method, after method, and before class, after class. Common annotations in testing.
Can you please list out in the execution order?
First வந்து shoot, அடுத்தது district, கிளாஸ், மெத்தடு, டெஸ்ட், அது எல்லாமே முதல்ல பிஃபோர் ஸ்வீட், பிஃபோர் கிளாஸ், பிஃபோர் மெத்தட், அப்புறம் அட் தி ரேட் டெஸ்ட், அதுக்கப்புறம் ஆஃப்டர், அதே ஆர்டர்ல ஆஃப்டர் டைப் பண்ணவா?
Go ahead.
பிஃபோர் ஸ்வீட் ஆர்டர் வந்து STC. Before test. Oh. Thank you. இதோட ஆஃப்டர் போட்டு மெத்தடு, கிளாஸ், டெஸ்ட், ஸ்வீட். Method, after instance, Yes. So, correct. இதான்.
Okay. So there were two annotations, right? Before group and after group.
Before,
Group and after group.
குரூப்பிங் டைம் அந்த டெஸ்ட் வந்து நம்ம குரூப் பண்ணும்போது அதோட டிபெண்டன்சிஸ் ஆன் குரூப்ஸ்ன்னு வருவாங்க. இதான் காமனான ஆர்டர் வந்து
Yeah.
இந்த ஆர்டர் தான்.
Okay. Annotationல இன்னும் ரெண்டு annotation இருக்கு. Before group and after group.
ஓகே.
Okay. Okay, Shankari. Thank you. I'm done with my
தேங்க்யூ.